So now today I'm going to explain, I'm trying to answer and trying to explain the concepts. Okay, what is percentile? So I want to start with a very simple example. Okay, I'm going to ask you a few questions. Let us say my son comes back from the school and he tells, Dad, I got 45 marks in mathematics. Okay, so when he tells this only one sentence, or somebody comes to me and tells that, hey Madan, I got business of $4,000 in the last month, or somebody comes and tells that, hey, I purchased 20,000 rupees of clothes last month. So something like people are just using a single quantity about what they have done. So I would take this example of my son coming back to me and telling me that he scored 45. Immediately a question arises me, because this is not the complete information that I'm getting from my son. He just told me 45 marks, right? So now I want to understand what is his position in the class. Okay, how much he is good in mathematics. So in order to answer these kinds of things, what kind of questions would you generally ask? How many people are there in the class? So what you are trying to do is that you are trying to build a distribution in your mind, right? And you are trying to build a distribution of the marks of the class in your mind. If there are 1,000 people, you cannot ask, tell me the marks of all these 1,000 people. But you ask very simple questions to understand where my son is really standing, correct? So just to start with this same question, okay, I'm going to explain you. There may be cases that 45 marks is the maximum marks. My son is top of above all, right? So I want to explain about this percentile, what exactly this percentile, okay, by using the same questions. When my son comes back to me and tells that, okay, he got 45 marks. So immediately I would ask him, okay, what is the maximum marks? So maximum marks, if he says that 90, then immediately I will say that, oh, that means he is very far from the first rank. Okay, then at least I want, this is not sufficient for me. At least I want to know, I know that he is far from the maximum marks, but also I want to know that where exactly in the whole class he is falling in. So I immediately ask, okay, what is the minimum marks? He would say 35. Oh, 35, it is a little bit better. But there may be a case that maybe 35, 45, 50, in this range there may be many people of the class, let us say 100 people, assume that 80% of the people are having the distribution between 35 to 60, but only very few people who are excellent in mathematics got the marks. Maybe that is also possible, right? So that this information of having only max and min is also not sufficient for me. I want to know that how many people are there exactly below him, how many people are there exactly above him. So that would give me a very good measure. That is called percentile. So whenever you take any project, any variable that you are trying to understand, you first draw these box plots the way you mentioned. Okay, I take the box plot. So from this box plot I am going to show you that how the actually this kind of distribution is going to change, and what kind of questions I can really answer from this. And I'll walk you through these things. Okay, just I'm trying to explain you the concepts only. Okay. So let us say I'm taking only maths marks of the people. Okay, so I have taken maths marks of some people. Okay, now these are the, actually I have taken total 10 students only, not 100 people. For our understanding, here I'm taking only 10 students. For 10 students, here I want to see that what is the minimum. These are the questions I asked to my son. Okay, he actually got somewhere around 45, like that he mentioned. Okay, then I want to see that what is the minimum number of marks. Okay, 21 marks. What is the maximum of this? Okay, somebody got a min max like this, 82. Then my son came and told me that he actually got 52. From this data I'm taking an example. Okay, 52. Oh, 52. So the best way is that, okay, I can do ranking, that's fine. But how many actually, with respect to the other people, I also want to know that though his rank is 5 or 6, I want to know that how many people are actually above him and below him. That is what the percentile. So now what I do is that all these 10 people, I just put them in the way we have done the box plot yesterday. We'll do the same thing here today also. Let us say I got these people, right? These are the marks I got. So now I'll just round up them for our easy. Okay, I have, these are the marks, let us say. Now I sort them first. Okay, so why am I sorting? Because I want to know the distribution of the box plot of these values of the 10 people. Okay. Now I sort them. I have to do, I want to do like this. I sorted them. Now if I look at these people, okay, now what I do is that first I'll find the mean of these things. Okay, I know as of these marks coming out to be 48.8, and when he says that he scored 52, when he scored 52, he just above average. That is one way I got some information. But I want to know that what exactly the position he has. That is what the percentage generally talks about here. What then I just to see here, we draw the box plot first. Box plot is just to see that the distribution of the total population, that is okay. So this is the box plot I got. So if you look at this box plot, okay, the median is almost all towards this dark line, as I mentioned yesterday. This is the median. What about the median? I'm actually telling you again. I have taken all the sorted things, okay, and I start moving from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 plus 1 by 2, that is 11, 11 by 2 is 5.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.5. 55 plus 52. 55 plus 52. This one 107 by 2. It is 53.5. So this is the 53.5 median. So my son who has got 52 marks. So median always shows the 50% of the total population. If there are 100 students in the class, my son is, let us say, saying 50, he is exactly below the median, just below this median. It means that he is scoring below the 50% of the total population. That means he is not doing very good. Okay, so but what is the percentile he is falling in? So what is the percentile means? Percentile means it is a percentile. Percentile means how many number of people are above him. I want to know that. Or how many number of people below him. I want to know that. So if I know the complete set of people, then I know what is the percentile he got. So let us say he got, let us say 52 marks, right? That's what he considered. I generally say that, okay, what about the marks at the 90 percentile? So I will say that 90 into, okay, 1 by 100, okay, just I'll take 0.9 into total number of people, okay, 9. So 9 is the index. So I start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 90 percentile means this person is have a 90 percentile means the person who is having any student who is having 90 percentile had scored 82 marks. That means he is almost above the 90% of the people above him. So this is helpful for any data science project where you are trying to see that for your shop where people had spent some amount in the last 1 week. So for each customer, let us say if you draw this box plot, you will come to know that who are the people actually spending above others. So I would like to offer a position for those people who are, let us say my manager says, okay, Madan, go and launch a discount for those people who came to my shop last week and who are spending more than 95 percentile. If he says 95 percentile means, I would like to say that top 5% of the people who are coming to my shop, and means the top 5% of the maximum amount, the top 5% of the people they're spending money, for them I want to launch a kind of discount. So this box plot is not only helping you to see the distribution of the people, but also try to see that to take some kind of decisions, something like for what set of people should we take, what is the rank of my son, so such kind of questions also you can answer.